Elon Musk says XRP is going to explode soon. And he is right. There are many new things that will shock you. XRP is not coming slow, and in 2021, it will blow up the market. People follow big celebrities, and when it comes to Elon Musk, then his words are taken as the last words in the world. Today, we are going to talk about whether the Elon Musk statement of XRP is going to explode soon is right or not. So watch the video until the end so you can find out the facts related to this statement. Hey guys, and welcome back to Crypto Millionaires, a channel where we teach you everything about investing in crypto. Please like and subscribe if you are new here. In the face of crypto's volatility, Ripple XRP is a fantastic bet. And if you're not pro-Bitcoin, you might want to buy some of this crypto if you want to see profits. With the gain of popularity of cryptocurrencies, many new people are gaining interest each day. Recently, Elon Musk said that XRP is going to explode soon. Do you know what this means? The richest person in the world would not say anything without any statistical analysis or technical analysis of the particular subject. He must have said this with some futuristic mind, so I'm going to tell you why he said this. Why XRP and not Bitcoin or Cardano? But if you are new to the market and want to know why everyone is talking about XRP, how it works, and what its future is. So without further ado, let's get straight to our topic. XRP, the next big cryptocurrency. With more and more mainstream attention being paid to the cryptocurrency world, it is natural that many people are interested in this topic. Cryptocurrencies have already entered the world not so long ago, and have now entered the hearts and wallets of many buyers. And as technological innovations are launched almost regularly in the market, some of the early digital coins seem to have maintained their leadership position. This includes XRP Ripple. Guys, XRP is one of the market's dominant cryptocurrencies. In contrast to other coins, it functions in a particular way, leading the way for new interesting opportunities. The defeat of the third largest Tethers title earlier this year, however, has caused many investors to reconsider the future prospects of the enterprise. Since this unstable year ends, there are already grounds for investing in Ripple. Why pick XRP rather than the many flourishing cryptocurrencies in 2021? Now that is really quick, right? Another vital point of XRP is that it can be directly transmitted without any intermediary and hence become a useful resource for a quick and effective bridge between two currencies. XRP's key goal is to be a monetary trade mediator. The XRP ledger uses distributed ledger technology rather than blockchain technology to support the transfer of tokens that represent fiat currency, cryptocurrencies, or any other unit of value. Since the protocol is totally accessible, it can be used by anyone without prior Ripple Labs permission. This enables banks and non-bank players with their own networks to implement the Ripple protocol. XRP, the bridge between cryptocurrencies. Ripple XRP has been announced recently by the World Economic Forum as the most important digital currency crypto asset in the central bank. This statement makes a big difference to XRP. In order to address their opportunity, CBDC organizations are studying contingent financial concerns such as financial convergence and payment stabilization. Central digital currencies differ from cryptocurrencies since the CBDCs are centralized continuously via infrastructure blockchains. Well, it is expected that all cryptocurrencies will have their own centralized digital currency banks in the very near future. And if that develops, then there will be a significant problem as one of them will be expected to bind all of them. XRP is the most important global economic platform for the crypto asset in the digital currency space of central banks. This suggests that XRP is bridging all of them in digital central banks. So only XRP has the ability to bridge all of the more than 7,000 cryptocurrencies currently present on the world stage. And why World Economic Forum has chosen XRP over other cryptocurrencies? They have provided the answer by saying, XRP is faster, less costly, and more scalable than any other digital asset, making it the ideal instrument in bridging two different currencies quickly and efficiently. Tetragons' appeal against XRP got rejected. In its lawsuit with Tetragon Financial Group Limited, Ripple Labs scored another victory. The court agreed on March 5th that Tetragon at this time was not entitled to an inventory redemption from the Ripple court and now even rejected the appeal. In addition, the court dismissed the Tetragon appeal against Ripple XRP, as it did not meet the XRP criteria. Thus, both of these events favor XRP Ripple, and the success would enhance Ripple's business growth. XRP, a new Bitcoin? People who have been trading Bitcoin in the past are now very rich. Many of them have, in the past, purchased the digital currency for a few dollars, and are now priceless and rich. If it continues to rise to new heights, it will enrich investors. However, this is unlikely, since major percentage increases are hard to obtain at these price ranges. Ripple only traded less than $1. Any experts assume that it will be the next Bitcoin one day. Many experts genuinely think that Ripple may be the only trigger for more fast processing speeds and lower prices that make it possible for financial systems to use the virtual currency, largely because of the dramatic surge in Ripple's value this year alone. Ripple saves financial institutions money, and it requires only more payment flows. Ripple definitely has a chance to grow by 2021, but I agree that in the next few years it will be more likely. As more prototypes are coded on the market, Ethereum will probably take a rear seat in the next major coin or token. As XRP, for example, it will take a while for the markets to absorb this, so I intend to take place from 2022 through 2025. Naturally, anything can happen with crypto, so watch carefully. But some people believe that XRP was never meant to be another Bitcoin. Ripple's big bet is that XRP will become a bridge currency that many financial institutions use to settle cross-border payments faster and more cheaply than they do now, using global payment networks, which can be slow and involve multiple middlemen. Bitcoin can be used to do this too, but Ripple can settle 1,000 transactions per second compared with Bitcoin's 7, and its transaction fees are much lower. The idea is that this will in turn make the currency more valuable. Mastercard is going to support XRP. Guys, for all of you who don't have the Mastercard, it will offer you full support of the cryptocurrencies and choose these digital assets directly on your network. This is a key statement to distribute these unprecedented cryptocurrencies. You may not think so, but a company just announced the availability of an XRP debit card. A digital identity network called Global ID has unveiled the first XRP debit card of its kind, which is soon to come. Up to 5% of the XRP discounts over the first $10,000 spent in 10.7 million Mastercard-funded delivery firms would be available for the first 1,000 customers to join the waitlist. The next 2,000 registrations will be paid 4% money, while the rest will get 2%. Guys, you might be taking it lightly, but this Mastercard is going to change the fate of Ripple XRP, and its future is something very bright in my eyes. Elon Musk. XRP is going to explode. If Elon Musk is saying that XRP is going to explode, then all of the above points are valid and support his statement. Because XRP has recognition and many new initiatives for the users, experts say to buy XRP now. Experts believe that in 4 to 5 years, XRP will reach $400 to $500. In web content, it is said that experts agree upon the notion that the network's popularity, well-built platform, worldwide investing interests, and penetration in the media and mainstream society, Ripple is bound to grow in the short, medium, and long term. If that happens, then XRP is going to have a bright and promising future, no matter how many difficulties it faced in the previous years. XRP, a unique cryptocurrency. XRP was originally designed to have much quicker and cheaper transactions than other cryptocurrencies, making it more suitable for day-to-day payments. However, it is rarely used in this way, as its developers shift their focus to institutional usage of XRP. Its ability to be exchanged to any currency or valuable, such as gold, with a unified minimal commission is a great advantage that XRP offers. This makes XRP an ideal investing option. All these technical advancements and new initiatives on XRP makes it more promising and supports Elon Musk's statement. What is your opinion on this? Tell us in the comments. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. And thanks for watching.